Hey kids, after fixing Santa's sleigh bells, Snowflake has moved again. And I think our elf friend has another magical note for us. Can you spot where Snowflake is hiding today? And look, another note. Let's read it together on the count of 3. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Kids, these notes are so cool. We keep going to new places in the North Pole. I think we're in one of Santa's toy workshops. Hello? Is anyone in here? Let's read the note. Santa's toy machine is in a fix. It's missing parts. Oh, what a mix. The toy machine's missing parts, kids. That's not good. Draw the pieces, make them right, to bring back Christmas Eve's delight. With every drawing, magic flows to make the toys and spread the glow. Your elf friend, Snowflake. Well, you know what we need to do, kids. Grab your marker and paper and let's fix this toy machine. So we need to draw a new magic toy machine, kids, and I think we can do this using some shapes that we already know. Let's start with a big square. And I'm going to draw a big square just like this on my paper. I have a squeaky pen, don't I? And a square is 4 lines like so. And your square doesn't have to be perfect. This is a wild and wacky toy machine, so it can have all kinds of shapes. So now that we have our square, we need some gears and buttons and doors on our toy machine. So I'm thinking we need to have a door where the toys come out of when they're done being made. So let's make a door down here. And I'm gonna make this a rectangle. Just like that. And you can take your time. I want you to focus on doing your best and I'll stay with you. So don't feel like you need to rush through this. Now on our door, we need a handle. And I want a handle so we can open it up and get the toys out of there. Very nice. And now we need some gears on this. Let's draw a circle right up here. And on our circle, we're going to draw a bunch of lines that look like gears. Just like this. This is a gear or a sprocket. And I'm going to draw a small circle in the middle, and that's where it spins from. And now let's draw another one right over here. So I'm going to draw another big circle. And a little circle. And we're going to do the same thing with those little lines because these are going to be another sprocket or another gear. This is really cool. We're going to help build this toy machine from the bottom up and make sure all of its parts are working. Next, let's draw one more medium-sized circle right in the middle here. So this is the big one, the medium one. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the small one, not the medium one. Silly me. We're going to draw a small circle in that. And again, let's add our sprockets to this. Wonderful. Now, let's make a line from here down. And it's going to go up and around like that. That's the belt. And it's going to connect here. Just like that. Cool. And that keeps the things moving inside. That makes the toys. Now, let's add something on top here. Let's add another rectangle. Like that. And we can draw another taller rectangle. Perfect. And then a line and a line and a circle. And if you want to add any extra buttons or squares or diamonds or shapes, you absolutely can do it, because this is about making as many toy machines as possible. And if they're a little different from one another, that means we can probably make all different types of toys. So yours can look a lot different than mine if you'd like. And I'm going to put a dot here and a dot here. And this is going to be electric coming through, and I'm going to do electric like this. Neato. Okay, and now we need a tray on this side. So I'm going to draw a line out like this. And I'm going to put another door up here. Perfect. And now we need a control panel. And the control panel is going to be over here. On most machines, the control panel will be on top. But these are for the elves to control this. So we want to make sure that we put all of our buttons down low so they can reach it. And let's do some small circles. And some squares. Let's do a diamond. Do you know what shape a diamond is? Like that. And then let's draw a big button here. That's the start button. Perfect. Okay, and let's draw some lines here. These are going to be for some vents, because it gets really hot making all those toys inside of there. And lastly, I'm going to draw another little panel up here. This is the radio panel. And we'll just put some lines on here. Perfect. Wow. Well, I really hope this is going to work. We have to use our imaginations and bring the magic to our drawing. And there we have our wonderful toy machine. And we used all different shapes that we know to create this. We used a square and a rectangle and some circles, big circles, little circles, and even a diamond. There's one last thing that I want to do to test if our toy machine is working. If you have a colored marker, or if you have your black pen that you used, if you don't have coloring utensils, let's color in the power button. I'm going to color in my power button. And what we're going to do is we're going to press this button with our magic finger. Okay, so get your finger ready. On the count of 3, we're going to press this button, okay? 1, 2, 3. It's working. The magic is there. Kids, you did it again. I am so proud of you. You have incredible imaginations. And I think our Christmas adventure is over. Or is it? Snowflake is collecting all of our drawings that we did. Snowflake, why are you doing that? Something interesting is he... Kids, it looks like it's not over yet. We have one more adventure that I think we're going to have to do before Christmas. Join me again, and we're going to figure out why Snowflake is collecting all of our drawings. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'd love to see your amazing artwork. Parents, if you'd like to share your child's drawing, make requests, or send feedback, you can message me on Instagram. Draw with Sean is a brand new channel, and your support makes a big difference. Liking and subscribing really helps us grow and reach more kids, and it truly means the world to me. I can't wait to see and share what you've all created.